A lot of us know about Rihanna's infamous clapback era, where she was quick to put somebody in their place. She said, Rihanna confessed to Oprah Winfrey that she still loves Chris Brown. Rihanna ran out of F's to give. Piers Morgan said, P.S. I think Rihanna needs to grow her hair back fast. The actress Amanda Bynes even went on one of her unhinged rants and was going in on Rihanna. Someone else commented under her picture and called her a crackhead. Even the actor Charlie Sheen came for Rihanna and went on this long rant about how Rihanna avoided meeting his girlfriend at the time. And the feud Rihanna had was with Azealia Banks. And there was definitely no misunderstanding with this one, because Azealia specifically attacked Rihanna. Azealia is known for trolling and shading pretty much everyone in the industry.